What is up, guys? Bingo here, and today we're unboxing some phone case from Caudabe, or yeah. So we got this nice small packaging from them, and say Caudabe is committed to green initiatives. Anyway, let's open it up. So I bought two cases. I'm pretty sure it's their. Oh, what's this? Only got two. Okay, wait. And I got the phone here as well. So I got two cases, crystal shield, and yeah. So we got the Paragon and the Sheath. Let's have a look at the cases first. Comes in this sleek packaging. Let's have a look at the sheath first. Minimalist perfection, founded in the idea that more isn't better. Yeah, some words in there. So this one is specifically for the S25 Ultra, but I believe it's going to be similar to like iPhone or the S26. So I'm currently using this. Forgot what brand of case this is. From UAG, Armor or something. We got our trusty old S25 Ultra, and let's. Oh, not even sealed. Okay, minimalist perfection. This is their Elemental Collection Canyon. Caudabe. Let's pop this off. Ooh. So this was about 50 or 60 Australian dollars. Forgot the specific. And yeah, just some gel. Small letter here. It's like a business card. Canyon is inspired by the redstone walls. Anyway, not reading that. If you want to read that, have a pause of the video. So we got the case itself. Looks really slick. It's got some texture into it. Genuine Caudabe product made with shock light. You got the buttons here, which you can actually change. And this like Alcantara like texture. So that's it. Let's open the Paragon. It's probably going to be similar. Oof. Okay, so minimalist perfection. Pop this off, and then there we go. So no letter in this one. So just a quick comparison. Wait, let's have a look at the Paragon first. This one is just smoothed out. There's some texture on the edges. Tactile buttons. Alcantara inside. And it's got magnet as well, both of them. About similar pricing. And yeah, you got your corners covered. I'm pretty sure these are. Here's this, like a side by side. Yeah, top, sides. As you can see, the Paragon has this ridges to it, and a bit of a curve as well. While the sheet has this rough texture all around. So yeah, I believe these are available in other colorways for like the latest phones. Let's try this out. Let's try the sheet first. So it slides in there. Pretty good. and it's really slick. It made my phone so much lighter compared to this one. Let's see the magnet. See how it goes. Just pops in there. And there you go. Pretty nice. Really, it's just slick. I'm just kind of worried that this one doesn't really have, the sheet doesn't really have a protection if like it drops there. But yeah, I guess the sheet is more like slim, I would say. And I like how perfect it matches up on the camera. Minimal protection on the camera bumps as well. But yeah, it's a pretty good case. Easy to take off. Let's try the Paragon. I believe the Paragon would have more protection. Yeah, you can see there's some raised here, so that if it falls off, hopefully, let's see if I find a flat surface. The phone is actually, there's a gap in between. Yeah, I would say the Paragon has more protection to it. Sorry, I sound so tired. That's not, just pops in there as well, and it's all good. Tactile buttons and pretty sleek, I would say. Okay, next up, alright, let's keep it there. We got the crystal shield. I'm not going to apply this for now because my screen protector is actually still pretty good, but we'll just have a look at it. Oops. So this is about $20 Australian dollars. Tray is made of plastic bottles. Relax, you're covered. Okay, it's reassuring. So we got two. They look really. Have a quick look at this. Yep. There's some lines, I guess, for guidance, I guess. And yeah, just the top. I wonder if it's, yeah, your phone has to be without the case to follow those lines. And I guess some wet wipes, protector kit, and I'm not gonna apply that one now. Just my screen is still, once this gets a crack, that's when I apply it. That's usually what I do. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna have a, let's pop this up for now. Let's have a quick final show between these two. Paragon sheet. Yeah, this one, I guess the Paragon has a better protection because like the sheet is just straight up flat, and this one's a bit of a curve, protects the screen when it falls down like that. And otherwise, they're both good quality case, I would say. I'll put the link down below so you can check it out, or put it in the description how much I paid for this, because it's about $50-ish Australian dollars. They were on sale, like 15% off. So I guess about 60 to 70 Australian dollars each. They're about similar price. But yeah, I guess it's all about just preference, because I believe this one, or depending on your phone model, Paragon doesn't come in the red, and I think this one comes in the blue. But yeah, anyway, that's Caudabe for you. These are their cases. They're I believe they're uploading more colors out there, making new colors for like newer phones as well. So anyway, that's it for me. And please like, comment down below. What do you think about this case today? Is it your cup of tea, or yeah? What do you like about it if you own it? And subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one.